Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this ninth day of October 2025. We just closed the US closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and others. So here we go. The setup is as follows. We have our our indicator, which is a strong candle indicator. The green triangle pointing upwards means we want to take this candle long towards the 50 of the day. So we're going to wait for a retrace here. We're going to grab this and then we're going to go. Could have taken this one here. We closed below the moving average. Once we close over the moving average, we look for a push back to push off of it, and then we'll head on up. Now, the next candle I expect, I look up here to PVI. I see it to be somewhere between 50 and 60 ticks long. We're going to pair that with our ATM, our first targets of 16s. We're going to de-risk the trade immediately. Then we're going to go for runners of 30s and 60s. So this is how it all went down. Need us to pull back just a bit, get it out of the way. Oh, there we go. Come on, pull back. Sometimes we'll put a cover order on, and then we'll use the risk. But this is pulling back nicely now, and we'll just let it go. All right, first thing we do is move our stop to where it belongs. And that would be down here. But you can see we're going to, as soon as we get our first target taken out, we're going to de-risk the trade completely. Now this takes some time to get going, so we're going to speed up the candle just a bit. There was a real slow period right in here, and we got this just as it was ready to go. But I don't think it happens till towards the end of the candle. So we'll see how well we do. That's a 16 tick first target. Now the ATM comes up after 17 ticks, so we want to make sure we get that 16 ticks paid. So our stop hasn't moved yet. So that's highly unusual. It doesn't happen very often. We're just going to have to wait this out. There you go. Once it hits 17, it brings the stop up. 16s and 31s are out. Now, we should actually de-risk this trade. It's into the 50 of the day. If you want to take your, if you want to take your third target and put it at the 50 of the day, that would be fine too. But it did reach over and pay 60s on that. So that particular trade was worth 620 US dollars. It took 4 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at .com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator that you cannot find anywhere else. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.